Hello, myself Sachin, and today we'll learn the difference between uncontrolled and controlled components in React. Uncontrolled components in React manage their own state internally rather than relying on React state. In uncontrolled components, we use the ref attribute to create a reference. Now, its benefits are that uncontrolled components can be simpler and faster for basic form handling. They directly access the DOM, and the component has simplicity. Now we come to the uncontrolled controlled components. Controlled components are form elements like input, text area, or select that are managed by the React state. This means that the value of the form element is set and updated through React state. You gain more control over user interactions and can easily enforce validation, format data, and respond to the changes. The state management is often handled in the parent component. So when we use the parent and the child component, we use the control component. The parent component maintains the state and passes it down to the child component via props. Now benefits of the control components are that they are predictable state management, the easier form validation, and have integration with the complex UI libraries. So we'll see the both the components. Uncontrolled first. This is the uncontrolled component. This is the uncontrolled component. We have the form element, and then we have the input into it, and then we have the submit button. Now to handle the changes, we are using the input ref as use ref, and then we are handling the submit button into it. This is the handle submit button. Okay, it will alert when the submit button will be pressed, and it will alert as name, and in the right side it will give the input ref dot current dot value. Okay, which value will you type here? Okay, now we refresh it. Now when the initial console is there, through this input ref, okay, input ref is consoled, and then it is null. Now we are writing the name. Let's say name is John. When we submit it, the message is name John due to this alert. We are submitting it. So nowhere in the console we are having the reference of the John. Okay. So this is the uncontrolled component. Now we come to the controlled component. In the control component, we are having the use state, where name is a state, initial value is blank, and then we have the handle submit button. It is giving an alert. Okay, the same structure is followed. We have a form element on submit button. Okay. Then we have the input field, and submit button is there. Let's say we are typing here the name Alice. So Alice is written here. You can submit it. Okay, the message is saying that the name is Alice. Because of this alert is submitted. Now the console is cleared. I think the controlled and uncontrolled component are clear. Thank you.